Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make self-raising flour. Now this seems a very simple recipe to make, and it is. Now a lot of people don't quite understand the fact is that when you go into the supermarket and buy self-raising flour off the shelf, they don't realise that it's actually a lower grade flour than you would normally buy from a bakery. Now in the bakery industry we have different types of self-raising flour which is available to us to buy or we make ourselves. Now this is from a low grade to a very high grade. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very high grade self-raising flour. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Recipe is below in the description. First guys, get yourself some baking powder and weigh it off. Also you want to get yourself a good quality plain flour. Right, now we're going to sieve this through to get rid of any bits and pieces that might be lying around in the plain flour. As you can see, it's quite lumpy. Give this a good sieve through. And now what we're going to do is sieve the baking powder. Now what I want you guys to do is get your hand in and give this a good stir around. Get it all mixed in. Right then, I want you guys to get yourself a nice big piece of paper. So we're now going to sieve that flour onto the paper. This is also getting your baking powder to mix well into the flour. Obviously if this was a factory, this would be done with a special machine. In this case, your special machine is your hand and the sieve. Now what we're going to do is fold the paper over, and now we're going to put that flour carefully back into the bowl. And once again we're going to sieve it again. Now you want to be doing this for around about 3 to 4 times. But the better, the more you do it, the guarantee that that baking powder is mixed into that flour. Once again, sieving the flour. The only thing with sieving flour is the amount of flour dust you create. So be aware of the amount of flour. And also it would be best to wear a mask because of the baking powder does make you sneeze a bit. And there we go, guys. And there is your self-raising flour, all ready to go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and please share. And do check out the description below for your recipe and to check up on what I've done in my playlists. And over the next few months, guys, I'm going to be doing more of these old school recipes which have been handed down to me from bakers from all over the place. I'm going to share these recipes with you guys because I want to let you know what the old boys got up to. I'll see you again in the next video. Laters!